If your garage door opener is making that annoying grinding noise, you gotta check the gear assembly first, because that's usually where the problem's hiding. So here's the deal. Start by unplugging the opener to be safe, then open the garage door manually to see if it moves smoothly. Next, pop off the opener cover and take a look at the gear assembly inside. If the gears look worn down or cracked, that's your culprit. You can grab a replacement gear set from most hardware stores or online, and switching them out isn't too bad if you follow the instructions carefully. Don't forget to clean out any old grease and dirt before putting on fresh lubricant designed for garage door gears. That'll keep things running quieter and smoother. Also, check the chain or belt tension, because if it's too tight or loose, that can add to the grind. Make sure all bolts and screws are tight too, so nothing rattles around. If you're not super handy with tools, it might be worth calling a pro just to avoid messing up your opener. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a grinding garage door opener noise is ignoring it and hoping it goes away, which just makes the gear damage worse and more expensive to fix. Another common issue is using the wrong type of lubricant, like regular oil instead of grease meant for garage door parts. This can cause more friction and noise. Lastly, folks often skip checking the chain or belt tension, which puts extra strain on the gears and can lead to early wear and tear. Fix these by tackling problems early, using proper grease, and adjusting tension according to your opener's manual. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get jobs done right. It also helps contractors connect with people who actually need their skills, making the whole process smoother for everyone.